get dressed with ease. Here's a tip. Pull anything out of your closet that doesn't fit today. That is going to make the process of getting dressed so much easier. If you're not ready to purge it, if you're not ready to get rid of it, if you are anticipating fitting into it soon, then fine, keep it. But I implore you to move it out of your closet. When you do that, it will make getting dressed so much easier because your brain does not have to say, oh, not that, not yet. Or you don't have to listen to the stories that your brain may be serving up to you about the clothing, about the fact that it doesn't fit. So to make getting dressed easy, I encourage you highly to remove them from your closet. Put them into another closet, put them in a box, in a bin, until you're ready to do the inevitable. I promise that doing this one thing will make getting dressed so much easier. You will actually look forward to the process of getting dressed because there's no drama involved, because it's a no-brainer, because everything hanging here fits. With so much love and compassion, I encourage you to remove anything from your closet that doesn't fit today. When you do this work inside of your closet, the result is you get dressed with ease, and I want that for you. I believe every woman deserves to love the process of getting dressed. It is a concept I teach inside of my program, How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love. At the end of the program, imagine getting dressed with ease instead of angst. I want that for you. I look forward to working with you inside of the program. My name is Heidi Gammill. I'm a closet coach. That's what I do. I help women to enjoy the process of getting dressed. I look forward to working with you.